Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are checking out Right on Trek's meals. So we did a meal before and I absolutely loved it. It was delicious. So of course we gotta try another one. So I would show you guys the box, but got some addresses on here, so we don't want to do that. But let's just get right to what we got. So guys, this is the Backcountry Meal Kit number 2 Classic. So I'm excited. Comes in this awesome bag. You guys can check out. Okay, so this one comes with one person for one day. It's 93 grams of protein, 2,500 calories, net weight 641 grams, which is 1 pound 7 ounces. You get hot breakfast, cheesy mushroom, eggs scrambled, crackers, and coffee. Oh, we love that. Lunch and snacks, beef jerky. Appealing to me. Crackers, cheddar cheese, dried mango, energy chews, dried fruit bar, energy bar, granola bar. Wow. Hot dinner, chicken Alfredo pasta, chocolate bar, and hot tea. This is awesome, guys. Let's show you guys what you all get. Oh my goodness, guys. This is incredible. Look at all of this delicious food. Oh my word. So, check this out. Trek On. My goodness, they are knocking it out of the park with their varieties and all the different flavors and stuff that they offer. Apple, cinnamon, raisin. Oh my mouth is actually watering. No joke, just looking at this. I mean, oh my goodness. So, of course, you guys want to see what we actually do. So, you know, what it looks like. So let's go ahead and let's go with the eggs. All right, guys. So for the next generation backcountry meals, oh, I am so excited. Now, you always get a lot. You technically could share one of these. I mean, you're going to be full. Now, only 380 calories, but you get a lot. So, you guys can pause the video right here for some facts. But seriously, I love their meals and their kits. Absolutely love them. The first meal I had was just mind blown. This one we might have to share with my wife because she was a little disappointed I didn't give her some of the other one, the chili that we had, so we might have to share a little bit. All right, 6 ounces of cold water. Water goes inside here actually, and you put the packet that's in here with it, and then you shake it up. Turn this on low, or you know, if you're out in the woods, then you would want it lightly heated, so a small fire. We're gonna coat it, shake it up, make sure you block the seals. Oh, it smells delicious. Alright guys, so now we are taste testing the eggs here. So let's see. There we go. They're different. I like them. They have this different flavoring to them. You know, different than the eggs we have around here in our state. They're good. I like them. Something different. And I like different. I'm tired of the same old stuff. Alright guys, now it's lunchtime. So time to make the pasta. So, boil 6 ounces of water. Add all the ingredients into the pot. Cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir occasionally. Turn off heat, cover for 3 minutes, and enjoy. Some facts right there for you guys. Make sure you remove the oxygen absorber from the pack. So this you want to remove. Do not forget to remove this. Alright guys, this is the Alfredo and it turned out amazing. We're going to have to taste test it, but right now we're going to pour some Parmesan on it. Delicious. Alright guys, so we're about to taste test this Alfredo. I'm trying to do this so I don't spill it. Well, That's a big spoonful. That is good. I like that a lot. Chicken's tasty. Noodles, the seasoning. Not too much mushrooms, but enough. Overall, that is good, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Everything was delicious. So we still need to try the coffee. And all these snacks, I mean, wow. The food filled me up. I'm thinking, I wonder if this is the same cheese we had before. That was delicious. Let's go ahead and try the cheese. So guys, I've given my wife the eggs and also the Alfredo. So my wife said that her favorite was the Alfredo. I don't know. I'm kind of mixed between the two, but leaning a little bit towards Alfredo, but the eggs, still good. All right, let's eat some cheese. My wife loves the cheese. I love it. So far, everything is delicious. So, now we're going to try these little snackies. See if we get some energy. They're delicious. My wife likes them as well. So we're just sampling. We're just doing a sample. All the other stuff we're saving. Now, obviously, I'm not eating all this all at one time. We're just sampling stuff just to, basically review it. But so far, I'm impressed. As always, like the last meal. Delicious, guys. And we're back. So, mango to go. Wow. This ought to be interesting, guys. Alright, guys. A little chewy. Not bad, though. I'm not a big fan of mango. That's not bad. It's got the kind of texture, kind of like jerky. Like mango jerky. I like it. It's different. And you see, I like different, so. And it says no preservatives. I think the label said something about no sugar as well. No added sugar. So just 22 grams of sugar, but no added sugar. Guys, everything is good, and I have no doubt the rest is going to be good. Guys, all natural beef jerky here, so we're going to give this a shot. So, that's good. That is delicious. Field trip. Guys, what can I say? I love this stuff. It's good, and we still got more to do. But I think we'll just taste the coffee on camera. I'll update it, if anything is I don't like or anything. But so far, I've liked pretty much everything. And the stuff that wasn't my favorite, it was different, which I like different. So I'm happy, guys. So guys, my final thoughts on this whole meal kit is amazing, especially if you're camping or hiking off-grid somewhere. Even at home, even just for a regular, something quick you want to make. Overall, guys, delicious. Absolutely delicious.